Hello, teachers, and hello, e-witties. Today, I want to tell all of you about my topic. And the topic today is answer the question. Do you usually eat at home or eat out? To be honest, I am a busy person. No matter how busy I am, I usually eat at home because it helps me save money and enjoy healthier meals, which are better for my long-term health. Cooking at home is also more convenient when I don't have a busy schedule because I can prepare food in advance. However, at weekends, I sometimes eat out to try new places, relax, and experience different cuisines with my friends. What about you, my buddy? Do you usually eat at home or eat out? Why? Just tell me.